What do you think of when you hear the words road construction? You probably think of traffic jams, lane closures, orange signs telling you to slow down, and oh, of course there's road work when I'm running late. But we think a little differently. See, when we think road construction, we think of hard work, long hours, hot conditions, night shifts. We think people. The people behind the concrete barriers and the orange signs. The people who mix the concrete, who grade the surfaces, who spread the asphalt and also roll it. We think about their lives, the projects they work on, the families they provide for, and at times, the lives they put on the line. And we think about you, the drivers, the people whose tires are saved from fixed potholes, the people who use the roads they build and maintain to get to work, to take your kids to school, to visit a friend, to vacation with your family. The people whose safety depends on the condition of the roads. So maybe next time when you think of road construction, don't think of the traffic, the lane closures, the inconvenience. Instead, think people.